can't wait to take this to the track. Woohoo! Ah, there she is. All right, it's Monday morning. It's freezing out here. It's like 32 degrees, something like that. And it's March, and we're gonna get that bad boy installed. And I guess everybody wants to have the cold start, so let's give her a go. I didn't wake the neighbors up. All right, let's go to the shop and get this bad boy installed. Dude, what the f, man? Dude, that guy was way over this.
Left.
Is it this one? Holy smokes.
In 1,000 feet, your destination will be on the right.
Oh. Oh my god. This road is horrible. Are you kidding me? Holy shit. I had to hit see. Super low car go through that. Yeah.
Your destination is on the right.
There it is. Where to park now? Oh, here it is. I got a big dog right there.
Okay, yeah, that should be fine. We can just settle that up when you come.
Look at the slicks on that. Oh, nice. I don't know why I like the slicks so much. This is their, this is the company car. Man, would you like to drive that? I'd love to get a 370Z one of these days. Maybe if this channel gets big. Can't really tell much that it's super fast, except for the slicks.
Ever take that to the track?
To my car?
Yeah.
No, not yet. I want to. I wanted to do some mods first, but like I haven't been to a quarter-mile track in years, so it's.
Yeah, I really like Jacksonville. It's nice. Kinston is okay. They prep really, really well at Kinston, which is nice. It's just a little shorter than Kinston for the stopping, and there's a lot of side bets and stuff going on.
Oh.
It's kind of a distraction if you're really trying to, go to test.
Oh. Man, it's really cool in here. I like it. What's the fastest you guys had? The rear mount Z? What's the fastest you guys got from that? Alright. Oh wow. Can't believe that made a difference already. Oh yeah, that sounds good. You guys are good. That was fast.
You guys keep them in good condition.
Yeah.
Is this a southern car for the most part?
Well, no, I think the former owner had it up in New York.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
So I think that's why, like, if you see the exhaust, a little bit of rust and stuff like that.
Nothing outrageous.
Yeah.
You'd be surprised the stuff we get in here.
Yeah. All right, we're back in Kiryu right now. I'm about to give her first start. I'm gonna put my glasses on. All right, we're back with Kiryu, and we're about to do the first start from inside the cabin. Let's see how it sounds. You can barely hear it. You can hear it better from the outside. Believe me, it sounded great. You guys heard that clip. Let's get out of here. Get some runs on the freeway. If you guys look, I don't know if you can tell, but there's skid marks all up and down this place. Oh man, they must have some fun. Here's a decent stretch. Let's see. You ready? Woo! Oh yeah. It's not huge. It's not like I got 50 extra horsepower, but I'd say maybe, 8 to 10. But oh yeah, that's not even in sport mode too. Let's put in sport mode. Alright. See the RPMs and stuff. Ready? That's not brake boosting, that's just straight off the line. Woo! And just a reminder, we are in Mexico. So it's fine. Alright, let's get back home and then I'll wrap this up. Alright, here we go. Here's another test. Woo! Holy schmoly. Oh, I can't wait to take this to the track. Woohoo! let's wrap this up. So, I got my downpipes installed. I went to RZG Motorsports. They were great people. The person I was talking to, Kelsey, I think her name was really knowledgeable. I mean, she probably knew a lot more than most guys do about cars. And the install went really fast. It was only about an hour and a half for the install, and it cost $200. The reason why is because it's all up in there and it's a pain in the butt to get into. And she quoted me a price for the Catback to be installed, which would be $100. So I'm thinking about that. I don't know. Let me know whether or not you guys want to see me install it, or do you want me to have them install it? Because $100, if they can do that, I'm pretty sure they'll probably get it done in like an hour and a half, too. It would take me like 4 hours. So you gotta weigh the options. Is it worth it? Is it worth getting dirty in the car, doing your own work? People don't respect you if you don't do your own work sometimes. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see. All right. So let's conclude this video. What else I gotta say? The horsepower that I got from there wasn't huge, but I can feel the difference. Like I can smell a little bit of tire smoke now. So what did I say? It's worth it? Yeah, it's on the way to the 500 horsepower crank that I want. So we'll see about doing that, and that's just phase 1 or phase 2, actually, I guess. I don't know. So to conclude, do I think it was worth the money for the lower downpipes and the installation of it? Yeah, I think it is, and it's one of the steps you have to take to get into the 500 horsepower club. So it is what. So I'm happy to end this one. I hope you guys liked it, and we're gonna say, all right. So I hope you guys like it. So I hope you guys liked this video, and I wish everybody a happy, lazy life. Peace, and I'm out.
Next level, 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 level,
It's
Lazy,
life for us. It's
lazy.
life for us. Static treated. We get drinks. Static says we get drinks. It's
Lazy.
life